Are you at wit's end with your relationships? Do you have a hole in your heart from the loss of a relationship? Are you having trouble even finding a relationship that is healthy, loving, and supportive? Relationships can be fulfilling, heartwarming, and life-changing. They can also be painful, destructive, and debilitating. Most of us are unaware of the soul's role in a relationship. It is important to grasp that we are all souls having a physical experience. When you die, your soul, it will continue. We are all originated from the same one original source. And as a soul, left to ourselves, bathing in the unlimited love of the one creator, well, we'd remain in that ever positive love-filled vibration of that creator. However, as individuals having a physical life, we have relationships. We have physical relationships, emotional communication, spiritual interactions with our lovers, our partners, our family members, co-workers, even animals. They all provide a great opportunity to expand our soul's awareness. Each connection results in a positive and beneficial outcome or an unpleasant and sometimes painful experience. Many of you watching this today are in huge pain right now, and you would give anything to have that pain go away. I can help you. I have helped many people transform their relationships, all kinds of relationship challenges, into a positive, life-enhancing experience. The key is understanding the root cause and then healing at that level. When we have challenges or we are suffering in any relationship, the root cause or origination of those challenges is the accumulation of the negative messages, or what Tao science calls negative information. These negative messages accumulate over our lifetimes from our own unpleasant thoughts, words, and actions from this lifetime and all of our lifetimes. The accumulation of these negative messages reside on our soul's vibration, and they manifest into our life as challenging relationships. So if you want to heal your wounds, let go of the past, or heal a current relationship, you can. It doesn't have to be hard. In fact, it can be a lot easier than you think. All that is required is awakening to a new understanding and approach. An approach that recognizes that when you heal your soul first, then the heart, the mind, and your body will heal also. My name is Paul Fletcher, and I am a master teacher and healer certified by Tao Academy. Through my 30+ years traveling around the world and working with 3 enlightened masters, I have become an expert in understanding the nature of your soul and its intrinsic connection to your success and your life challenges. Having worked with literally thousands of people with all kinds of problems, I have distilled decades of wisdom and experience into this course. Through this course, I provide a solid foundation of understanding of why you are suffering and how to bring love and peacefulness into past, current, or future relationships. You don't have to have the same experiences into your future. Those who complete my course will feel relief, empowerment, hopefulness, love. They'll feel refreshed and prepared for a much better relationship with themselves and with everyone else. So I encourage you to look over the testimonials, the reviews, see what this course is all about. I can tell you from experience, you cannot afford to pass this up. It will change your life in a very positive way. Heal the soul first, and your heart, your mind, and your body will follow. I look forward to serving you.